Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play George Michael's Freedom on piano. We will begin by mastering the foundational chords. Start with your right hand playing the C major chord, then move to G major, followed by a minor, and finally F major. Practice these 4 chords slowly, ensuring each transition is fluid and accurate. This initial step is crucial for building a solid base for the entire song, setting you up for success as we progress through the arrangement. Now, let's delve into the song's structure, focusing on the verse and chorus. The verse typically repeats the C, G, a minor F progression 4 times. For the chorus, you will encounter a slightly different, more expansive chord sequence that provides an uplifting feel. Pay close attention to the rhythm. The song has a driving, upbeat tempo. Practice transitioning smoothly from the verse into the chorus, maintaining a consistent beat throughout both sections for a cohesive performance. Next, we will enrich your playing by adding the melody and a bass line. Your right hand will now play the main melody notes, often in octaves or single notes, while your left hand provides a simple bass line, typically playing the root note of each chord. For instance, when playing C major, your left hand plays a low C. Focus on coordinating both hands slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed. This combination creates a much fuller and more recognizable rendition of the song. Finally, let's discuss dynamics and performance tips to bring your rendition to life. Experiment with playing certain sections louder or softer to add emotional depth. A consistent tempo is key, so consider using a metronome during practice. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to practice, focusing on challenging sections. Regular, focused practice will significantly improve your muscle memory, accuracy, and overall confidence, allowing you to truly enjoy playing George Michael's Freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.